Prime Day 2025 is here, and I've rounded up what I think are the best Prime Day blender deals you can get right now on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a powerful countertop blender or a portable option for smoothies on the go, there's something for everyone. First up, we have the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender, which is usually $164.99, but you can grab it this Prime Day for just $89.99. That's a huge savings of 45%. The NutriBullet Ultra is perfect for quick smoothies, protein shakes, and even small batch sauces. Its compact design fits easily on any countertop, and the powerful motor makes blending a breeze. Next, check out the Vitamix Propel Series 510. This professional-grade blender is down from $499.95 to $299.95, a solid 40% off. Vitamix is known for its durability and versatility, handling everything from smoothies to hot soups with ease. If you want a blender that will last for years, this is a top pick. The Ninja BL 660 blender is now just $89.99, down from $119.99, a 25% savings. This Ninja model is a fan favorite for its powerful 1,100-watt motor and large capacity, making it ideal for families or anyone meal prepping smoothies in bulk. For those on a budget, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a steal at $30.39, marked down from $44.95, 32% off. It's compact, easy to use, and great for everyday blending tasks like smoothies and frozen drinks. The Vitamix Propel Series 750 is a powerhouse, and you can save 40%. It's down to $379.95 from $629.95. With pre-programmed settings and a self-cleaning feature, this blender is a dream for anyone who wants professional results at home. The NutriBullet full-size blender combo is now $89.99, down from $149.99, 40% off. This combo gives you both a large pitcher and personal cups, making it super versatile for families or single servings. If you want something sleek, the Breville Fresh and Furious blender is on sale for $159.95, down from $199.95, 20% off. Breville's unique Kinetics blade system ensures smooth, even blending every time. The Mueller Immersion Blender is just $23.72, down from $39.99, a 41% discount. It's perfect for soups, sauces, and quick smoothies, and the compact design makes it easy to store. Save $120 on the Vitamix A2500 Ascent Series blender, now $479.95, down from $599.95, 20% off. This smart blender features wireless connectivity and 3 program settings for perfect results every time. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is now $44.99, down from $69.99, 36% off. It's rechargeable, leak-proof, and perfect for smoothies at the gym or office. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is discounted to $75.99 from $99.97, 24% off. With a powerful 900-watt motor, it's great for tough ingredients like nuts and seeds. The renewed Vitamix Explorian blender is just $265.95, down from $379.95, 30% off. You get Vitamix quality at a lower price with a full warranty for peace of mind. Grab the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for only $17.56, down from $26.45, 34% off. It's lightweight and USB rechargeable, perfect for travel or quick shakes on the go. The Vitamix 2-Speed Immersion Blender is now $89.95, down from $129.95, 31% off. It's powerful enough for soups and sauces and comes with a whisk attachment for added versatility. Save 31% on the Breville Super Q commercial grade home blender, now $379.95 from $549.95. This is a true powerhouse, perfect for anyone who wants commercial level performance at home. The Chefman Obliterator 48-ounce countertop blender is $79.99, down from $106.08, 25% off. With its powerful motor and large capacity, it's great for smoothies, soups, and more. The NutriBullet Flip Portable Blender is half off, just $47.49, down from $94.99. It's compact, easy to clean, and ideal for quick shakes or smoothies anywhere. The Biola Mix Professional Smoothie Blender is on sale for $111.99, down from $139.99, 20% off. With a large capacity and powerful motor, it's a great option for families or meal prep. The KitchenAid Go Cordless Hand Blender is now $89.99, down from $139.99, 36% off. Cordless convenience and KitchenAid reliability make this a must-have for quick blending jobs. The NutriBullet SmartSense Blender Combo is $96.30, down from $164.99, 42% off. It features smart technology for perfectly blended drinks every time. The Wanjoin Professional Blender is $75.45, down from $88.88, 15% off. It's a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, budget-friendly blender for everyday use. The Vitamix A 3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender is $519.95, down from $649.95, 20% off. With touchscreen controls and Bluetooth connectivity, it's one of the smartest blenders on the market. The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender is $39.52, down from $56.95, 31% off. It's a simple, reliable blender for smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks. The Magatang 1800-watt smoothie blender is an incredible 70% off, just $99.99, down from $334.99. With a powerful motor and multiple containers, it's perfect for heavy-duty blending. Finally, the NutriBullet Portable Blender is $29.99, down from $54.99, 45% off. It's lightweight, cordless, and ideal for blending on the go. That wraps up the best Prime Day blender deals of 2025. These prices won't last, so check out the links in the description to grab your favorite before the sale ends. If you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deal alerts and reviews. Happy blending!